Welcome, Mathematics Paper 2 2019. We're solving question 1. It says question 1a, given that the matrix A, that is 62x3, find the value of x for which the determinant of A is 36. So the determinant we've been given, which is 36. The determinant we've been given, which is 36. Therefore, the determinant, so we have the determinant of A multiplied by the major diagonal minus the minor diagonal. So this is the diagonal, and then this is also the diagonal. So there is the minor diagonal, this one is the major diagonal. So we are multiplying 6 times 3. 6 times 3. So the determinant is 36 equals to 6 times 3. So we have 6 multiplied by 3. You can put them in brackets, minus, open brackets, 2 times x. 2 times x, that is 2x. Okay, so 2 times 6 times 3, that is 18. So you have 36 equals to 18 minus 2x. We correct like terms, so we are going to have 2x. So 2x will jump the equal sign, it will be positive. So this is positive 2x minus 18. So 36 will cross the equal sign, it will be a negative. So we're going to have negative 36. Okay, let us solve it from this side. So we have 2x. So we have 2x minus 18 minus 36, it will be negative 18. So divide both sides with a number with a variable, that is 2. So we're dividing both sides by 2, also the side by 2. So 2 into 2, that will give you 1. 2 into negative 18, that will give you negative 9. Therefore, the value for x is negative 9. The value for x is negative 9. Okay, let's go to B. B says, hence find the inverse of A. So the formula to find the inverse of A is A inverse is equals to 1 over the modulus of A, or the magnitude of A, multiplied by the adjacent of A. The adjacent of A. So what we have is the actual matrix. We have 6x 2 3. So where there is x, there is negative 9. Where there is x, there is negative 9. So we're going to have 6 negative 9, 2 over 3. So now the adjacent of A will be the major diagonal will interchange numbers. So we are going to have 3, 6. In the minor diagonal, only signs will interchange. So if this one is a positive, it will be a negative. So this is negative 2. So this one is a negative 9. So it will bear a positive. So it will be positive 9. Okay. So let us now continue. So we have the inverse of A is equals to 1 over 36 multiplied by the adjacent, which is 3 -2, 9, 6. Okay, so now you're going to multiply 1 over 36 multiplied by 3. That will give us 3 over 36. Okay, 1 over 36 multiplied by -2, it will give us -2 over 36. Okay, 1 over 36 multiplied by 9 will give us 9 over 36. Okay, 1 over 36 multiplied by 6 will give us 6 over 36. Okay, so now as a mathematician, when those numbers reaches that level, you need to simplify them. So 3 can enter into 36. 3 can enter into 36. So 3 enters into 3. 1. 3 into 36 will give you 12. 2 into 2, it will give you 1. 1 into 36, 1 into 36, it will give you 18. It will give you 18. 9 into 9, it will give you 1. 9 into 36, it will give you 4. 6 into 6, it will give you 1. 6 into 36, it will give you 6. So this is the inverse of A. This is the inverse of A. Okay. Let us find B. Let us find B. B says a box contains 4 red pens and 5 green pens. So a pen is picked at random from the box without a replacement, and a second pen is then picked. So question 1 says, draw a tree diagram to illustrate the outcome. So we must draw the tree diagram to illustrate the outcome. Okay, so solution from there, we're going to draw a tree diagram. Okay, a tree diagram. So we have a red ball, red pen, and then we have a green pen. So this is the first pick. This is the first pick. So under the first pick, we have 4 pens plus 5 pens. So that will give us 9. So the total number of pens is 9 in a box. So in a box there are 9 pens. So here meaning the red pen and the green pen. So the red pen is 4 over 9. The green pen is 5 over 7. That is the first pick. So we come to the second pick. We come to the second pick. So second pick, we're going to assume that red pen was picked. So we're going to subtract 4 minus 1 pen. So that will be 3 over 8. That will be the total now. That will be the total since we have picked 1 pen. So this is red, this is green. And then in the green, we haven't picked any. So we haven't picked any green pen. So that will be 5 over 8. 5 over 8. So this is the second peak. This is the second peak. Okay, that is the second peak. That is the second peak. Okay, so here we've got green, here we've got red. So let us assume here the green one was picked. The green one was picked. So meaning we're going to have 4 over 8. So if the green one was picked, we'll subtract 5 minus 1. That will give us 4 over 8. 4 over 8. So the outcomes are red, and then red, green, and then here we have green, red, and then the last one we have got green. Okay, let's go to the second question. The second question says that what is the probability of picking one red pen and one green pen? Okay, so that is what the question is asking. So that is what the question is asking. So the probability of picking red plus the probability of picking green. The probability of picking green. So we're going to find that probability. So here we've got the probability of picking red plus the probability of picking green. Okay, so that probability is equals to the first peak, that is 4 over 9 multiplied by the second peak, that is 5 over 8. 5 over 8 plus the first peak, that is 5 over 9 multiplied by the second peak, that is 4 over 8. Okay, so from here numbers can be reduced. So that is 4 into 4, that is 1. 4 into 8, that is 2. From here, 4 into 4, that is 1. 4 into 8, that is 2. Okay, let's multiply. 1 times 5, that will give us 5. 2 times 9 times 2, that will give us 18, plus 5 times 1, that will give us 5 over 9 times 2, that will give us 18. Okay, let us find the common denominator from there. Let us find the common denominator between 18 and 18, that is 18, that is the common denominator. 18 into 18, that is 1. 1 times 5, that will give us 5. 18 into 18, that is 1. 1 times 5, that will give us 5. Okay, so 5 plus 5, that will give us 10 over 18. Okay, so these numbers can be reduced. 5, 10 can be divided by 2. So 2 into 10, that will give us 5. 2 into 18, that will give us 9. So meaning that is our answer, 5 over 2. That is the probability. You can go through and be able to answer the questions correctly, or you can also find time to ask questions.